Hey Scott, okay, I'm going to set up some agents for your website. I'm going to go with the Pure Body Extra one. So you know this obviously better than me, but what is your website about? Now, I'm on the About page. I'm going to copy the text that you have written. Let's go to ChatGPT and basically write something like, I'm going to give you a description for a website called Pure Body Extra. Can you give me one main niche keyword that represents what this website business is about? And let's paste that about section in. And it's saying zeolite detox. So let me copy that. And first I'm going to set up a custom content agent. So let's go here. We'll select that website. Let's post some content every 12 hours so it doesn't spam your website. We're going to post on all days of the week and we're going to publish it. So this title prompt is pretty good as a default. And I can go generate items with AI. Let's paste that keyword in, zeolite detox, click get items. And here we go. We have a bunch of keywords that the AI is going to use to write articles. Zeolite in cooking, zeolite in nutrition recycling, zeolite in herbal remedies. So all of these keywords is a good start. The AI agent is going to go through each of them and write an article. So it's going to make a bunch of articles on your website, Pure Body Extra, that are all related around that initial keyword. So this is a good start. Google is going to see this website. It's going to know that your website is an authority in this niche, and hopefully it's going to eventually send you some traffic. So for the agent prompt, we can keep this pretty simple as well. Format HTML. You can uncheck humanizer. Image prompt is good. Flux Schnell. Maybe I'll add some boilerplate code. So I'm looking here. You have a Facebook page. It says this content isn't available right now, but I'm going to put it in anyways. Let's go Facebook. Just some extra links. Looks like you have a YouTube as well. Let's go YouTube. You have a Tumblr and an email. Let's go Tumblr. This page doesn't appear to exist either. Let's try Pinterest. Okay, you do have a Pinterest. And then definitely email. Email is a good one. When I open up Gmail, let's see what email address this is going to. Okay, you have to fill in the to section here in this link. So I'm going to leave out email. And then categories and tags. So you have some here. Let's go detox. We'll just keep it in the categories detox. Okay, I'm going to click start agent. And there we go. This agent has 83 items, going to write 83 articles, going to be working around the clock on your behalf. So this is a good start. I'm going to go back to ChatGPT, toggle on search, and write, can you give me a list of 10 competitors that are doing or writing about the same thing? We want to find a competitor for an SEO heist. So here we go. Let's go Touchstone Essentials. So I'm going to scroll down to SEO heist. Here we go. We're going to go to rssfinder.app and let's start typing some of these in. Let's see if we can find an RSS feed. Okay, I kept searching ChatGPT and I found a few. Let's see if these work. So I'm going to go here, hit test. All right, this does work. Awesome. Okay, so it's going to start by writing an article about each of these keywords on the website. And then after it's finished, every time there is a new article, it's going to look at it, take all the information, and then write a similar one for your own website. For the agent prompt here, I'm going to add in, make sure everything relates to zeolite detox. I'm going to click start agent. Okay, now we have this agent running for your Pure Body Extra website. Maybe try one more detox competitor. Apparently, zeolite detox is not a popular keyword. So we kind of want to get in the same niche, which is detoxing. Here we go, SEO heist. Paste that in, hit test. Does this feed work? Yeah, we got a bunch of them as well. So same thing in the agent prompt. And let's start that one as well. So that's probably all I would do for articles for your website. Now, there are a few other ones that you can possibly do. I mentioned SERP Writer in my original email. That kind of works the same as the custom content agent. You set it up the exact same way. Or I would also do something like maybe YouTube channel to article. If you can find a YouTube channel that talks about zeolite detoxing, or maybe even YouTube search to article. So let me try setting one of these up. Here we'll go every 24 hours. And I can go zeolite detox. That'll be my main keyword. Let's go 100 results per search. Okay, now we have 4 agents running to Pure Body Extra. Now what I would do is connect some social media platforms that will all feed into your website. First, I would do a Twitter account or a Blue Sky account or both, and then auto follow people using that keyword. If you actually have a product to sell and you don't just want traffic, I would use something like the cold email outreach and target people in the detoxing space. LinkedIn posting is good to start building an audience on LinkedIn. Maybe make a company page for Pure Body Extra and start posting there. And then definitely something like a social listening tool where you can listen to the keyword, maybe type in zeolite detox. And every time that keyword is mentioned on social media, Twitter, Blue Sky, or Reddit, your AI agent will hop in, respond to the question or the comment, and then that profile will also get traffic back to your website. You also have the option for something like timely news. We're going to check this every 48 hours because I don't think your keyword is very popular, but we are going to target that keyword in Google, zeolite detox. And then every time an article is posted on Google News regarding that keyword, it will post a new article to your website. These are 5 agents for that one website. You have 4 different websites. So if you maybe want to run the exact same ones I did in this video for the other websites, you're welcome to do so. But again, I recommend maybe some social media accounts. Making all agents work towards one website instead of spreading them out amongst multiple websites is probably your best approach.